Hi everyone. So this is a project for Halloween, and what I did was find a kind of a spooky branch from a tree, and I put it in a bottle and then surrounded it by, this is just paper bag, and then I thought, well, how can I make the base spookier looking? So I had some of this, it's just a cloth that I had saved, and I used my hot glue gun and I just attached it and swirled it all the way around. So it's stuck on there now. I put some heavy items in the bottle so it's a strong base so it doesn't tip over. And so what I was thinking of doing was first I was thinking of like toilet paper ghosts, but then I thought, well, I had this foam. It's just a packing foam that, I kind of save things so that if I need to create something like this, I can just draw from my assortment of things that are basically junk but serve a purpose when you want to make something. So what I did was just cut like a square out of this size, and I shaped it into looking kind of like a ghost. Took all the edges off. You can see that. And then I cut some felt, black felt, and made little eyes for the ghost. So as I'm holding this, I'll try to do it. This is a hot glue gun. I wished I had purchased a cold glue gun. But if I hadn't had a hot glue gun, I'll show you in a minute what I wouldn't have been able to do. Because I was thinking, now how am I going to hang these things? But every time I use my glue gun, see this fine filament? Well, look at this. Look what I can do. I can use the filament to actually hang the ghosts. And so that's what I'm going to do. And here's when you can see. As long as people don't grab them. So I think I'll put eyes on the other side too, so when it turns, it'll be like a little ghost tree. And I was going to see if I could find maybe some, I don't know, make an owl or something out of
Sculpito.
Or maybe at dollar store they have little things you can hang. So I wanted to add some more to this to make it look more Halloween-y. And so I put some purple pipe cleaners together. And I'm just gonna use my glue gun and go this way. I should probably glue gun this tree to this cloth better. It's amazing how fast glue gun stuff just disappears. As far as, needing more and more and more. Okay. Got an airplane going by. Noisy airplane. Oh, there goes the dog. So this is kind of supposed to look like, I don't know, like a mountain top or something. And you could put stuff on this too, you know, to make it look interesting. Skeletons or something. I think I need to get a cold glue gun. Ah! I just got my whip. No! Sorry, Miss Witch. She survived. Let's just see if I can shape it first and then I'll open it. It's like I'm fighting the wire. Bad wire. No. 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 Didn't really have all this planned out, did I? Let's see. Kink it up. Make it kinky. It's a kinky thing. Ooh, that even looks better. You kind of like. I have two left. Purple. So you just wrap them upon themselves. So here I have it. I like to plants and stuff, so I'm just putting it here in the light. There's a little ghosties. You can see them. That's just kind of fun. There's the mama ghost. Alright, friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you can add more to this and be more creative, I'm sure. Happy Halloween!